Move back. Okay. Let's try that again. Start from photo. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. For the video, okay. Verify. And then voila, it removes the background. Nice and easy. You click on download. Standard resolution, which it gives us at 1280 by 1280. Actually, what it means is that it will give us, if this design did not exceed 1280 by 1280, to just give us whatever the original size was. And if you go into our folder, Tolu's folder, and we'll watch and we'll go to this picture, we found that it was 736 by 1104, which means it's just going to give us what the design was in the first place. So we'll click on download, standard resolution. So we now save it back to Tolu. Let's call it BG remove one, and we'll save. So open the editor, continue editing your image view. Save it up and continue. And now it's go here. Let's just go back. We need to keep us a DB. Once you click on another thing, that's requiring you to pay for a lot. So let's dive into this one picture, which is the second minister. So let's pick the second one. It's actually lovely if these people are maintaining a face the camera kind of picture rather than all these tilts. These tilts like this makes designs very frustrating. These tilts, right? Because when you're doing design where you are using center alignment for all the layouts, right? These tilts just is painful. So we have who is the second minister. Let's take this minister as the second minister. Take this person as the second minister. Let's see. Okay. Let's download standard resolution. VG2. Save. Then verify. And remove it. Start from the photo. And then choose the third person, which is this guy. Right? Let's choose this guy. I don't know what Tolu's pictures are, but I'm showing you how to remove all the backgrounds and then save it as 3. So we'll have all the 3 pictures. Next thing is, oh my god. Next thing is remove this and also do that on the logo. This is the church logo. Let's see who did that. Oh, of course, I will also show you how to use that on the logos that has this kind of background. So standard logo. Good. Now we are done. Done. Okay. So let's go back to our flyer. And next thing is, don't touch anything yet. Let's just import. Okay, let's start with the brief. So you have all the things we need. The first thing is we have the brief says that the theme revive us again. The 3 days. Let me just copy this part. I can remember the other one. The 3 days you let me just copy this part. Go back here. So we have revived us again. So I want to zoom in a bit. I'm going to zoom in a bit so that things are immediately clear. So the decision now is we know what the text is, revive us again. So if we use this as the revive us again, it's ridiculously big. But then let's start reducing the font size. So that's what is selected. Let's reduce the font size and see. Reduce. Okay. We're putting the wrong thing. Revive us again. And like the way the font is behaving, because there is no space in the scroll down, you see that the space letter spacing is -13. Right, so let's see. Let's reduce it into so that the text is pretty, and then we have revised was again. Let's see. Then another one we can arrange this to make it feel when I said something revive us again, revive us again, revive us again. Okay. This one. Sometime now. Revive much. Revive. Nah. That's spicy. That's so easy. I mean, by the time he's talking about this, is crazy. Right? Bible signal, Bible signal, Bible signal, revive us, revive us again, revive us again. Okay. Then we're going to duplicate this text box. Select and then go to the bottom, duplicate, bring on this, and remove again. Return the us to the first line and then stretch it. Right? Stretch. See if we want to see if we can use it. Revive. Let's see. So I'm playing with this text now. Revive. Revive us. Revive us. Then let's see that again. We did it next here. And then I need to change the font to something I can work with. I need to have a signature here. Let's try this. No. Let's try this. Nope. Okay. First need to again. Yep. I think you got it. So revive us. Revive us again. Then you now have. Let's see. Let me look at it. So let's see. Okay. Revive us again. And we have that funny story. A 3 days youth and family encounter. I think the meta spacing is still